Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to be looking at this 20 volt Hyundai lithium battery. So this sort of battery would be fitted to our 20 volt range. In this instance it's a hedge trimmer, but it could be any one of the 20 volt products from Hyundai. So what we'll do, we'll plug it into the charger, we'll show you what all the lights mean, and basically a simple step-by-step operation of how to charge the batteries. So the first thing we want to do is get this battery charged up. There may be some charge in the battery, but we need to charge it fully before use. And you'll see on the back of the battery here, there are 3 LEDs. If I push this button, you could see 2 of them lit up. Okay, so that means that there is some charge in the battery, but it's not fully charged as yet. So we're going to charge the battery up. So battery charger. First thing we need to do is remove the little protective cover from the plug, and we're going to plug it into a suitable 13 amp outlet. So to fit the battery, you'll see the tangs here and you'll see the connections here. I just put it in the slot and push it down firmly. There's no click, there's no latch. I just push it down firmly. So as you can see, what's happening now is the red light is flashing. So with the green light on and the red light flashing, that means that the battery is charging. Okay. If the red light goes solid, that will mean that the battery is fully charged. So there are a couple of alarm states of note on here. If at any time you see the green light flashing, that will mean that the battery is hot. So what will happen is the charger won't charge until the battery cools down. Once it's cool enough, then it'll go back to its charging state. So if you've been using the battery and you've used it heavily and discharged it very quickly, using in use, you'll find that you need to let it cool down a little bit before it'll take the next charge. That's to protect the battery. And again, hopefully you'll never see this, but if we see no green light and just the red one flashing, that means that there's a problem with the battery, and that's the point at which we'd have to replace the battery. So once your battery is fully charged and the red light stops flashing, we simply pull the battery out of the charger and it's ready for use. Well, there we are. I do hope you found that demonstration useful of what the different lights mean on your battery charger. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.